Hello friends, today I will show you how to flatten land in Minecraft. To flatten land fast in Minecraft, you can use one of two ways. These are the materials you will need. 1. You can just use a maxed out efficiency shovel to get through dirt easily. Use a max efficiency pickaxe for the stone. You can use a beacon with haste too to make this process even faster. Second, you can use TNT like this to get through a lot of blocks quickly. Then use tools to clean up the area. Thanks for watching.